Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily here at the channel. Matter of fact, 3 a day, and you don't want to miss it. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. These are very informal, conversational videos giving you all stuff and no fluff, full of value, and not all the other garbage that most YouTubers have. So go ahead and comment in the section below if you'd like to add anything to the conversation. Love to have you here. And like and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later. And for all of my radical marketers out there, salute. You guys are blowing up the channel. And I love seeing your guys' comments every time I launch a video. It's so fun interacting with all of you. You guys are helping each other. When you win, I win. When I win, you win. We all win together. All right? Join the private Facebook group too, because we have a lot of credit hacks going on every single day that we don't talk about on the channel. Link is in the description. All right, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get a massive loan with UNFCU, one of the best credit unions in the world. You can get up to $150,000 loan with them. You can also get another $50,000 loan. You can get a checking line of credit. We're going to talk about all the different loan products that they have. We're going to focus on that and how to leverage that. But before we get into that, we need to talk about how to even have that. And you have to have that through relationship. So UNFCU stands for United Nations Federal Credit Union. They're based out of New York. Shout out to New York. They're responsible for giving high credit lending and a great credit union to world ambassadors and global citizens of the UN. Okay, now you don't have to be part of the UN, because I'm not, and I bank there. Okay, you can actually join through membership. When you go to click Join UNFCU, they're going to do a soft pull on your credit, and it's going to be they're also going to check your check systems. And yeah, then you can also just click to join the nonprofit organization right there while you're at it, and then you'll get approved and you're in. Okay, couple data points to give you as well. Every time if you apply for a credit product, they're going to do a hard pull, and it's going to be from Experian. I'm going to give you also another thing. UNFCU is huge on relationship banking. I'm going to show you in this video as well. Be sure to stick around the whole video, because you don't know all the data points and gems I'm going to drop, okay? I try to keep these videos really short, so let's just jump right into it, okay? But that's how you join. Go ahead and take care of that. Link is in the description. Okay, so the signature loans, they have two different types of loans, right? If you want an unsecured loan and you want the money sent directly to you, the max limit is 50 grand at a 5.7 APR. Pretty good. Minimal paperwork is required. You will have to give proof of income, and when it's fully approved, you'll get the funds. If you want a $150,000 loan, maybe you want to repay interest, maybe you want to pay off credit cards or a student loan or a home improvement loan, whatever the case is, the interest rate is still really good at a 6.95, okay? And you can borrow up to $150,000, but the approved amount is going to be paid to the service providers. So, pretty good rate there, $150,000. No collateral is required to secure the loans, no application fees, no prepayment penalties. Super amazing, right? They also have a loan calculator right here where you can kind of do the math and see if you can afford it, what you can afford, things like that. View the report, and then you can print it off as well. All right? So the signature loans are amazing. These are both unsecured products. Remember, the signature loan is going to be paid to your creditors and what you're trying to pay off, and the signature loan direct is going to be substantially less, $50,000, which is still a lot, at a 5.7 APR, which is really good, and paid directly to you. Okay, so as you can see, their credit products are phenomenal. Checking line of credit up to $25,000. Now, this is unsecured as well. It will act as an overdraft protection, or you can use it like a PLOC, a personal line of credit, and use it however you want to use it. It's 10% variable rate, and you can kind of see off the prime rate margin, boom, okay? And you can look at the rates and stuff like that. If you guys don't know what a line of credit is now, it's like a hybrid between a loan and a credit card. It's going to be convenient like a credit card where you can access it anytime. And so it's basically the lump sum of a loan, right? So if you have $25,000, it's sitting there. Your $25,000 pot of gold is right there. You don't pay interest on it. unless you use it just like a credit card, right? And then the moment you start using it, that's when you start paying interest on it, but you pay simple interest, which is really helpful, okay? I recommend everybody have a line of credit or multiple lines of credit. You can buy real estate with this, foreign real estate with this. It's just an amazing debt weapon that you can use and leverage in this time. Now, when the housing market crash, you want to be ready to pick up houses, do real estate investing like that. Money, you want to prep your credit because you don't want credit when you need credit. You want to be building credit when you don't need it. So when you need it, you have it. Okay, it's called preventative maintenance. You don't put oil in your car after you need it. You put it before you need it, right? Same thing with credit. Banks don't want to lend to you when you need the credit. They want to lend to you when you don't need the credit. So always be building your credit lines all the time. I call it credit banking, credit harvesting, and you do that through building relationships with credit unions like UNFCU, Navy Federal, Unify, you name it. UNFCU is a credit union that everybody needs to have, especially for international banking. If you ever do foreign real estate, you're going to need UNFCU because they have some of the best products out there, and they'll lend to you when you're outside the country as well. All right, so that's the checking line of credit. Secured loans with deposits. This is going to be just like a pledge loan. So whatever you have in your checking or savings account, they'll borrow up to 150% of that for you, okay? Build credit, no application fees, no prepayment penalties. I recommend that you pay 70-80% of it off, so when it reports to your credit report, it shows that you only have 20 to 30% left to pay over 2 years or 3 years. It looks really good for you. It builds data points with the bank. It shows that you're responsible to the credit bureaus and to the lender, which in this case would be UNFCU, okay? It's an easy trade line. When you're building credit, repairing credit, you need to have installment loans and you need to have revolving lines of credit. Revolving lines of credit are personal lines of credit and credit cards. Installment loans are personal loans, are mortgage loans, are auto loans. So in this situation, this would report as an installment loan, okay? Now, consumer loans, I want to show you this. The loan eligibility, it's in writing, okay? They're huge on a couple things. UNFCU is going to be incredibly conservative at first, and once you prove that you can have a relationship with them, they will give you all the funding in the world. But let's look at this. For unsecured loan, eligibility is dependent on a number of factors. Additionally, USA members must be a member for at least 12 months to qualify, okay? So they're not even going to consider giving you an unsecured loan, a line of credit, or a credit card for 12 months, but they will allow you to have secured loans and a secured credit cards. Both of their credit cards you can secure, okay? So they're going to look at your length of employment, your income. They will do proof of income, so you will need the check system. You will need the pay stubs, your existing loans, other expenses, loan payment history, length of UNFCU membership, country of employment, currency of income, because they will loan to people outside the country. This is a global credit union, okay? Now, besides all of that, I did want to show you a couple things. Local staff loans for their employees that they have at UN. They also have a debt consolidation loan that I've already done a review on, so check that video out. They have student loan videos. They have home loans, home equity lines of credit, amazing home equity lines of credit, and then foreign real estate as well. So you can buy foreign real estate, which most credit unions won't even consider because it's hard to collect on the debt if they need to. So guys, check out UNFCU. Build the relationship with them. After the year, you're going to have the whole sky opened up to you. The only downside UNFCU has is they don't have business products, but they're probably one of the best in the personal products in the game. Top 5 credit union, in my opinion. I love banking with them. They're convenient. And then check this out, services too. You can even do remote check deposit, overdraft protection, currency exchange, transfer money. They're a global bank. They know what they're doing, okay? Like, comment, subscribe on the video. Let me know what you think of UNFC. If you have it, what do you like about it? And I look forward to reading all your comments. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Catch you guys on the next video. Salute.